So if you're anything like me,
you probably had it on your mind at some point to purchase the REVAIR.
Well, guess what? Your girl did it for you. So if you're up for a fun little unboxing, then keep on watching. Girlfriends, and welcome to another episode of Find Your Hair Rocks, and I'm your girl, Lavinia Latham. If you're new to Find Your Hair Rocks and you're wondering who the Curlfriend crew is, wonder no more. Simply go ahead and hit up that little subscribe button. Make sure to hit up the notification bell as well too, so that you never ever miss another video. Let's just jump on into this. This thing's really hard to get out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. As you guys can see, I've got the first side open. Yes, yes. Basically like a quick guide on like what to do once you get your REVAIR. It says it's got a heat producing wand, a filter, a base unit. It's got the 1-year warranty. This is the operation manual. Oh wow, it's got the exact same thing in French. I actually wasn't expecting that. Because I mean, this is an American company, right? Right. Getting into the good stuff.
Nice.
The filter. Oh, this is heavy, you guys. Oh!
Oh my goodness!
Yo, this thing is awkward. I got it on sale for $249 US, which is almost pretty much half, 50% off. Let me know in the comment box below. Was that a steal or was that a steal? And not in a good way? Oh, they gave me a little gift. That is so cute. It says Tribology Complex Shine, Strengthen, Seal. This proprietary complex seals in moisture, strengthens hair fibers, and intensifies shine while acting as an advanced thermal protectant, shielding hair from external aggressors. They sent me the cream gel hair primer for fine, thin, or porous hair, plate straight, which is a rich balm for coarse, textured, or frizz-prone hair, and then a bright spot detangling shine spray. So that's the front, that's the back, right there. So let's see what these are. I'm gonna go in with my scissors. Where are my scissors? Dun 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 dun. Hoo, hoo, hoo. I'm such a loser. So this is the Bright Spot Shining Spray that they gave me. Oh, the Bright Spot Shine Spray seems to be for all hair types, so that's good. This is their Plate Straight Hair Primer. And this is the Wave Goodbye Hair Primer, and that's for type 1 and 2 hair, so we'll see. In terms of how the product smells, it smells like a luxury hair salon product. Like, that's what the Wave Goodbye smells like. The Plate Straight Hair Primer, let me see what this smells like for you guys. Yeah, again, like it just smells like salon products, like very professional, very luxury, very high grade type products. So Curlfriends, if you guys are enjoying this unboxing so far and you really want to let me know, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so that I can know to continue making content like this for you. So more packaging. Y'all, it's a lot of packaging. Here is the star of the show. Ta-da. There it is, right there. That's the beauty of it. And then that's it. Oh, there's something else. Oh, that is so cute. They give you like a little carry-on for it to properly put your things away. So yeah, guys, that is the REVAIR.
point, what are you guys thinking? Do you find that the product is worth it? Bear in mind that regular price, this unit retails for about $399 US. Worth it? Were you expecting as many pieces with it as came in my box? What do you think? Let me know in the comment box below. I always read each and every one of my comments, and I also respond to all of them as well too. Friends, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing as much as I did. If you really are enjoying Financial Hair Rocks so far and you want to continue vibesing and growing your hair and learning more about your financial hair journey along with me and the rest of the Curlfriend crew, then go ahead and subscribe and also hit up the notification bell while you're at it as well too. I post new videos each and every single Monday and Friday between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.-ish Eastern Standard Time. Also, I do YouTube live sessions each and every Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you guys at the next one. Y'all, I really love having these conversations with you guys. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can find me on all platforms as Fine Natural Hair Rocks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Mwah.